Howdy, I'm CyberAxe with Outlandishly Crafted, and today we're going to be figuring out how to put one of these kitties that we scanned into the game. You can go watch that guide on the channel if you'd like to see how to scan stuff in, like the axe or the cats, to put them on your bed or your desk. But this time what we're going to do is we're going to put them in her hands. We're going to be able to carry the cat around. So let's get to it. We are going to jump into we're gonna click her, and we're going to first we're gonna save. Normally if she was I think I'll just wake her up, that way you can just do it if you're in your game. So let's just get her up. Hey you, no, get up. Focus. Wake up. Oh, I gotta start the time. Just wasting time. Okay, so we get her up. And then we're gonna change her clothes. And then we're gonna go to style yourself. I think that'll take us to the menu. Yeah. Okay, so we're in the menu, and right now I've got myself my bong that I scanned in. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna jump down here to crafts, and we're gonna go to this little 3D print decals. And what it does is then it allows us to say where do we want to assign that craft, what we're gonna put in. And what we want to do is we want to assign it, and I've never done this before with the cat, so I don't know how this is going to work out, but I think we want to probably assign it somewhere right around here. And then we'll get the kitty, right? And then we're going to make the kitty bigger. Now, one of the differences is when you're in the 3D world and you're putting the kitty down on like a bed or something, the kitty is going to allow you to scale her on each axis, but that doesn't work when kitty is clothing. So the scale is global here. So just keep that in mind when you scale. Like, it'd be nice to make her longer, but when you scale, it scales all. So we just kind of have to deal with it. So let's say that's pretty good, I think, for now. So we're gonna back out. We're gonna save it, and then we're gonna go to outfits, and we're going to son of a meon. We're gonna go into here. Sorry. Every time I do an outfit, it resets my shirt for some reason. It's just one of those bugs that drives you nuts. So you gotta come back in, and then you gotta click the buttons to put it back. And we go to outfits. Okay, so now that we've got our kitty, we're gonna save the outfit so we don't lose it. And then we're gonna go to photo mode. Ah, damn it! I did it wrong. We're gonna go back from photo mode. We're gonna go to studio, and we're gonna turn the studio on. Okay. So, and then we can also do our poses, and this will help us get the kitty in a good spot. This might take some work, but it also, there you go. You should find one. Wish the kitty was just a little bit more. I'll be right back. But you get the idea. You can just tweak it. You can't easily just go back and like reset it though, because now it's already there. It doesn't let you like tweak the angle when you're here for some reason, which would be nice. So I would just go through poses until you find the pose that you want. Oh, you can put custom poses in. I'll do that in a different guide. But like I went through and made a whole bunch of custom dances and stuff. Oh wait, did that one work? No. Maybe it'll be the one with the flowers. Let's see, because the flower one worked really good for the... Oh, the cat's just buried. Like really close. I might have to just move it. This is the best one so far. The problem is when you go and you want to just move it, it resets the size and everything. So now you have to do the whole thing again. I think the idea though is I want to have the cat's head equal with the thumb. So let's try it again. So we go back to craft, we go back to here. Now we could do the hand instead of the arm. So you go back, and then we said we want to have it like equal, make it bigger. Right? I think that's equal. Maybe this way a little. Then we save. And then I don't know why I can't do poses here. It might be easier just to do a custom pose, honestly. That one's not bad. There we go. I just need more lighting. I think that's it right there. Okay, then we go to photo mode. And we get a smile, a laugh. Yep. And then we take our snap. And that's what you're looking for right there. So that's how to get a kitty in your arms. You carry around, it does everywhere. You can just change your outfit to take them out because they're just an accessory now. And then you can also put them in your room if you want to see that guide. That's the guide I previously did. So you can put them down on your bed or put them on your desk or do any of that stuff. And then I'll do another guide on poses next, how to put in like a custom pose so you can hold them properly or do animations with them. So there you go. Thanks for watching. I'm CyberAxe with Outlandishly Crafted. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more guys and check out the live show. It's on like 24/7, so go check it out. It's always nice. If you really enjoy this, send us some tips. So.